Losers are sponsored by Labs in Motion. Put this truck together last night. Susan in American made. American made, sponsored by Direct Off-Road, FK Rod Ends, Ellsberg Collision, Condo Advertising and Michael with W Real Estate. And a shout out to Labs in Motion for getting that American-made truck put together last night at midnight so they can have it ready for you, Santa Rosa. Next up, we got a mega truck matchup. We've got the oldest man in monster trucks, Bob Miller, the recycled teenager, 85 years old, in the Beta truck. Gonna be going up against his son, Glenn Miller, the Alpha Dog. This little S10 pickup running us blowing 400 small block on propane. Glenn Miller, tied with his seatbelt in the truck, trying to get that thing ready to rock and roll. Running on propane and propane accessories. All right, here comes the recycled teenager in the Toyota Mega Truck. Ladies and gentlemen, let them hear ya! I can't believe this guy's 85 years old. All right, they changed it up on me again. We've got Greg Queener. Greg Queener out of Rossburg, Washington, running the Omega Mini Monster Truck. Age and wisdom against youth. And I don't know what else to say. This is Greg Queener. Omega versus Beta. Ladies and gentlemen, let me hear you. Almost endos it over. Bob Miller, the recycled teenager, gets the win. 85 years old, taking the win on that one. That truck acting nose heavy, getting endoed over a little bit. All right, they got him staged up. Let me hear ya! Bob Miller trying to cross right over the jump. The Beta Mini Monster Truck ahead right now. Miller takes a shot. And your winner, the Omega Mini Monster, Greg Queener. Big Papa Smurf, Greg Queener in Omega. All right, we got the Flying Spaniard up against Hollywood next. Tony Canedo, Sponsored by Tony's Landscape, Dependable Air and Heating, Jim's Transmission, and Rough the Flying Spaniard out of Dixon, California, playing for keeps. He's going to be racing up against the young man out of Hollywood, California, Jacob Galley, wicked strong. Wicked Strong, sponsored by FTI. That's going to give Wicked Strong the W. Looks like the Flying Spaniard, Tony Canado, and Playing for Keeps, is having some rear steer issues. Sometimes you just don't know when those bugs are going to happen. Right now, the second lap for Wicked Strong, Jacob. Gonna take it nice and easy. That's gonna do it for Wicked Strong, Jacob Galley. Hollywood, sponsored by FTI. Up next should be Shameless versus Scattered. Looks like they're firing up Shameless in the water. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up. Let's hear it for the Airborne Rangers and Joe Cypher. The driver on the water. Gonna be going up against Alpha Dog Miller.
I'm squished.
Sponsored by Propane and Propane Accessories. Here